The Muslim holy month of Ramadan gets underway from Thursday, and countries around the world have banned communal worship because of the coronavirus. But Pakistan has decided not to stop gatherings at mosques, leading to concerns that it will see a rise in transmissions. So far, there have been more than 9,000 confirmed cases there, though the true figure may be higher due to low levels of testing. Sekunda Kamani reports now from Islamabad.
Gaps between worshippers at Friday prayers, a compromise between social distancing and religious observance. Other Muslim countries have suspended all gatherings, but here many remain defiant.
उनके दिमाग खराब है हमारे ठीक है कि मस्जिद में हम नमाज पढ़ेंगे जो कुछ भी हो जाए
I know it's better to stay home, of course, but otherwise you can't avoid it. Start living, you go for grocery, you go for a gas station, there are so many other things to do.
Ramadan begins this week. Normally a time of spirituality, attendance at mosques is likely to soar. Some rules are in place on spacing out the congregation and not allowing the elderly to take part, but it's not clear how they will be enforced.
एक हद तक रिस्की फैसला है
तो क्यों किया फिर?
इसलिए किया कि
दबाव के अंदर
इस दबाव तो आप इसको नहीं कह सकते, मुफाहमत कह सकते हैं। अगर ये समझा जाए कि ये फैसला कोरोना वायरस के फैलाव का बायस बनता है तो फिर हम इसको रिव्यू करेंगे।
Pakistan's healthcare system is weak and would be quickly overwhelmed by a major outbreak. Many doctors are concerned they don't have enough protective equipment. Dozens have been infected already. It seems certain there are more coronavirus cases than the official tally, which remains comparatively low. This charity received 60% more dead bodies at their morgues in one city in the first 2 weeks of April than the same period last year. With no tests being performed on them, they can't say what the reason is, but are now treating every body they collect as potentially being linked to coronavirus.
all over.
Shortly after our interview, the head of the charity tested positive for COVID-19 himself.
Sometimes their relatives even don't touch them, so sometimes we get the feeling that he had something like coronavirus. The capacity to do the test is very low all over Pakistan, but it is increasing very gradually. But without doing the test, we cannot have the larger picture and the exact picture what is happening about the coronavirus in Pakistan.
But coronavirus isn't the only killer here, so too potentially is poverty. Last week, lockdown restrictions were partially eased over fears the poorest sections in society couldn't afford for it to continue. Now streets and markets are busier, but there are concerns as the economy restarts, the number of infections will rise.
Prime Minister Imran Khan is being tested after meeting the infected charity head. But he seems to want to keep the country running. On the one hand, we have coronavirus, he says. On the other, hunger. Charities and the government are distributing food and money on a huge scale. But whilst Ramadan is normally a period for generosity and quiet reflection, the coming weeks look set to be the worst yet. Sekunda Kamani, BBC News, Islamabad.